In this lecture, I will discuss about story displacement, story drift, and story drift ratio. First of all, story displacement is the lateral displacement of floor or point from its original position. For example, here is 4-story building, 1, 2, 3, 4-story building. So when the building displacement displacing in the x direction or in the lateral direction, so here on the top floor from the original position to the displaced position, that is the displacement of this roof of this top floor, and for the third floor from this position to this position, and for the second from this to this, from this to this, and at the spot zero displacement. That are displacements. Now what are story drift? Story drift is the lateral displacement of one level relative to the level below. For example, if the displacement of this story with respect to bottom story, that is called story drift. So here, for the more clear demonstration, please see here. This is the third story having the displacement that is delta x from the spot. Okay, the blowout story is delta x minus 1. Okay, the difference between the displacements, that is drift, or you can name it as story drift, inter-story drift. So these are all the names which are used for the drift. So that's how we calculate the drift. Okay, it's the small displacement between the stories. Okay, so now what is the story drift ratio? The story drift, which is we have calculated delta, if we divide this by the height of the story, then that is called story drift ratio. Here is the story drift divided by the story height. We divide the this delta by the story height, for which we have calculated the drift. So these are the differences between the story displacement, story drift, and story drift ratio.